Hi everybody. So our maths continuing with addition and subtraction this week. Today what we're going to be doing is we are going to be adding together two-digit numbers and both will have a tens and a ones. So I know we did it with where one had a ones column and the others was just 10, but today we're going to be moving our learning on a little bit and they're both going to have each. So let's have a look. Easy peasy one to start. This obviously doesn't have a tens and ones, but it is a bar model. I want you to think about what number sentence or sentences this could represent. So thinking back to our related facts work, what could this represent? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the bottom there, 5 little flowers on that side, 2 on that. Your top one is the whole, so it's the, not as in a deep hole, but the whole amount. So the total of that would be 5 add 2, 7. And obviously your related facts, it could be addition or subtraction. So it could be 5 add 2 equals 7, or 2 add 5, and then you could have your subtractions. You could have 7 subtract 2 equals 5. So all the numbers are interlinked. If you want to have a little go at home with that, that's absolutely fine. Okay, today, so we've got two numbers. We're going to look at adding these together using our column method. I've put this picture on here on purpose because I wanted to show you that obviously we do jottings in class and sometimes you might do your dots. I wanted to show you that doing, although those look beautiful, it's not really effective to be doing it for such big numbers. If I was going to do any sort of jottings for additions with greater numbers, I'd be looking to do my base 10 because if you're counting these, you're going to get mixed up and it's going to take you ages and you end up getting frustrated. So the numbers are down here. There's 24 add 32. Now then, we could look to doing our base 10. So your lines and your dots. So you've got 24 there and you've got 32 here. Could do that. Or we could be using our column method now. So we've got 24, 32. And you do your little line, make it nice and neat. Got my pen back, pen, there it is. And we're obviously adding today. So, like I said before, you start with your ones. So we're doing 4 add 2, easy peasy lemon squeeze it, 6. And then you're doing your 2 add your 3, which is 5. And then if you want to be doubly sure, you could always go and check on your base 10. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 56, 54, 55, 56. So you know there your answer is correct. Okie doke, we've got two, let me just check. Oh yeah, two place value grids here with two different numbers. So you might have a question that could ask you, right, what are these numbers and what is the total amount? So that's what we're going to do together. So step number 1, find out what these numbers are. So we've got 2 lots of 10, so you know it must be 20. Then you've got 22, 4, 6, one more is 7. So you've got 27 there. Then we've got 4 tens, we know that's 40, 2 ones, 42. And this is how quickly we should be getting it now because we've done so much work on tens and ones and you are doing such a wonderful job. Okay, then we are transferring those numbers now over to the column method. So it says first add the ones together, always do the ones together. So 7 add 2, 9. And then we've got 2 add 5, but it's not 2 add 5, it's 20 add 50. 20 add 50, we've got 70. So it's 79 altogether. Another style of question that you might have, I know I've briefly spoke about your base 10 on that question before. You might have one like this. You might just choose to add it as base 10, which is absolutely fine. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. And then you might have your 10 and 3 10s, which is 46. So your numbers there are obviously 14 and 32. Sorry about my 3, everybody. Right, then once you start to become more comfortable in your understanding, you will be able to tackle word problems that are similar to this. You have been doing a really great job at your word problems. I've had videos of fantastic explanations and working out, and our grown-ups have been doing an amazing job at drawing out the problems. So big thumbs up and well done from me for that. Okay, so 3 10s and 6 1s add 4 10s and 2 1s. I think the answer will have 8 10s and 7 1s, so that's what Zara says. And Amia is saying, I think the answer will have 7 10s and 8 1s. Right, so let's just see how we would work it out. There's no point just guessing because it is going to take some working out. So you need to decide whether it's Zara who is correct or whether it is Amia. So Amia thinks the answer is going to have 8 10s and 7 1s, but Amia thinks the opposite and thinks it's going to be 7 10s and 8 1s. So I would figure out what these numbers are. So we've got 3 10s and 6 1s. So that's going to be 36. And then we've got 4 10s and 2 1s. So that's going to be 42. We're thinking about the total. So we're adding 39 there. And then we are going to find the answer. So 6 add 2 is 8. And then 3 add 4 is going to be 7. So the person who is correct is Amia, because he guessed that the answer would have 7 10s and 8 1s, and that is correct. So you might just write down here, Amia is, I should have typed this, I'm sorry, is correct. Oh dear. Just like that, but much neater, I hope. Okay, so key things to remember. Column method, always adding your ones first. We're not crossing any tens boundaries today, but we are going to have numbers where it's got both a tens and a ones. Okie doke. Keep putting a super fantastic effort in like you are doing, and well done.